beloved school head of Center Katingawan Elementary School, Marites R. Carino, to our PTA official headed by Ayan Jan Buludo, to our dear advisor, Dailin B. Bujungan, for the teaching personnel of Center Katingawan Elementary School, from grade 1 to grade 6, parents and visitors, a pleasant morning, all of you. On behalf of my classmates, I would like to welcome all of you in our moving up ceremony. Thank you for being here today, a special day with us. So many things, our ABCs, numbers, song, inhibit how to be a good friend.
A round of applause for her. At this moment, let us hear an opening message from